Hi, we are ELa and PHIlipp. We already traveled all the way from Colombia to Argentina with our 2 motorcycles, which we bought in Medellín. On our journey we have survived a -10-degree night in our tent in the Bolivian Andes, managed to escape a desert with a broken motorcycle and 1 liter of water left, pulled our motorcycles for 180 kilometers, crossed many rivers to get to our destination, and interacted with locals to fix tires, make friends and learn about their lives. Our plan is to visit all countries of South America and therefore drive through the Amazonas in Brazil. The question is, will we make it?
Now arrived at Chão. It's a 35 kilometers ride from Santarem, and we are here relaxing at our apartment. It's a small apartment directly in the jungle, and we are close by the river.
Together we found these clear blue waters with no one around.
We are recovering from the bad food we had on the first night on the ship 4 days ago it was, and we're starting to feel a lot better now. We can do some outdoor activities, but still we are taking it slow on the stomach. We have to plan to go by motorcycle from Santarem to Macapá, which is probably never done by any overlanders before. We asked the local here from Santarem, and he pointed us some very good infos on the map, so I think it's doable, but it depends on the weather because we have rainy season now. So 2 kilometers from our Airbnb is Alto do Chão, really nice little island. Right now you can cross it by foot, and yeah, in rainy season everything's flooded here and you have to get across to the island with the boat. Been now 4 days in Alto do Chão
And recovered from our food poisoning.
It was really important. We are still taking it slow. We were eating out the first time 1 hour ago. You joined us for maybe adventure, maybe not. We will see. We attempt to do something not many people do. We drive from Santarem to Macapá, and therefore we need to take this ferry here, down there, to our first stop, Santana do Tarapá, and from there we will continue our journey.
So Alto de Chão is a really small town, 30 kilometers out of Santarem, and it has a special vibe.
Yeah, people just talk to you very friendly, and the locals say that it's the safest city in Brazil. Yeah, they're all really relaxed. You have to enjoy it, really special vibe. It's a mixture from hippies and friendly Brasileiros. Really fun mixture. Yesterday we drove through the rain, but that wasn't really adventure, it wasn't paved roads. Today is where the adventure begins. We will drive dirt road from now on. We only have the information that there is a boat, but nothing else. We don't know when the boat is leaving. Now the part where the adventure starts.
You tell me like I didn't know I'm breaking the rules.
Yeah, where we drive right now, there should be actually rainforest, but yeah, they burned everything down with fires, and the cattle are already starting to go on the fields. Yeah, I don't think there's an easy solution here. I think just Brazil has to protect the Amazonas better. Yeah, but it's sad to see it in real life. Yeah, maybe it's a global problem, because if the meat consumption would go down, then we wouldn't have this problem. The price for meat is apparently too high, so that, yeah, it makes economically sense to do this here. Yeah.
I'm getting numb when you call my name. It's hitting hard like a punch in my face. Why you gotta act like we both don't know that this is all just fine if we just...
So they asked quite a high price, so I negotiated them down to 250, which equals to $40 for both motorcycles. Still a lot, but it's the only option. Our boat for the next 2 hours.
I'm getting numb when you call my name. It's hitting hard like a punch in my face. Why you gotta act like we both don't know? This is all just fine if we just let go. It's getting hard if you want me to stay. 'Cause you know I'm the one who never pushed you away.
Yesterday we arrived here at the port at Porto do Branco.
And it was quite late when we arrived, about 5:30, so we decided to not drive further. We asked the man who's living here in a house at the port if we can sleep here, and he offered us his living room.
Yes, so now our navigation system says there's no road to Laranjal, but people say here there is, so we will just follow this road and try to get to Laranjal, which is the next biggest town, on our way to Macapa.
And let's see how the road is, because the whole night it was raining.
Why keep on trying when we're falling? In this field of the things we fear, there's a reason for being here. And it's hiding in every flare. Oh, it's everywhere, but we're falling. When we're falling. When we're falling. I'ma strive for infinity, living for the adversity. Can't get rid of me, I'm not falling. Why keep on trying?
This is the third and last ferry we need to take.
When we're falling.
So we arrived yesterday in Laranjal do Cary and are now heading direct to Macapa. We thought it's all asphalt, but yesterday we found out that it's dirt road. And we asked the guys at the ferries in Hiopaha, and they told us that there was one foreigner doing this route some years ago, but he was the only one. So we are the second foreigners who are doing this.
It's hard to conceal that I'm falling deep. I like the way it feels with your hands on me, on me, on me, on me, on me, on me. I like the way it feels with your hands on me, in your fantasy. So don't stop, just keep it coming. I like the way that you talk. I can hear heaven is calling. Stay with me till the morning.
So we are here in Marsa, the only town where you get a restaurant on the way. So we made almost 50% of the planned route for today. And by the end of the day we should reach Macapa. Yeah, so far it's going great. But yeah, just a lot of off-road driving and a lot of dust. But apart from that, really a lot of stretches are with rainforest, which is still intact, which is nice. Yeah, let's see how the rest will go.
The way it feels with your hands on me, on me. I like the way it feels with your eyes on me. It gets hard to conceal that I'm falling deep. I like the way it feels with your hands on me.
So, this part of the street is something special because we made it here again to the northern hemisphere. So the equatorial line is here where ELa is, and it stretches here from this tree trunk across ELa's motorcycle to the other side and all the way through Ecuador and around the planet. So here's the equatorial line, really nice. So from now on we are driving on the northern hemisphere again after I don't know how long.
We left it in Ecuador in, I guess, August last year.
August last year we crossed the line in Ecuador, so now 13-14 months, a little bit more, and we crossing it again, this time on the Atlantic Ocean side.
In your fantasy,
So as you can see, the road conditions are really tough. So when the rain starts, this will be probably unpassable. Still right now it's really uncomfortable, but it's only 50 kilometers to go to Macapa.